Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open Outlook and go straight to Rules Wizard to save time. First, you select the mailbox or folder you want the rule to affect. Once done, choose Home Rules, Manage Rules and Alerts, and click New Rule. This brings up templates and a blank rule option. Pick a template or start from a blank rule when you need custom behavior. Make sure to work on the correct account, otherwise the rule won't apply where you expect it. You now define the rule logic, conditions, and actions. Start by checking conditions like sender address, subject keywords, or importance so the rule targets exactly what you want. Next, select actions, move to folder, mark as read, forward, or delete, and configure any parameters such as target folder or recipient. Once conditions and actions are set, add exceptions to avoid catching legitimate messages. You finish by naming the rule and choosing run options like run now or only on new messages, then click finish and apply. Once saved, test using sample emails to confirm messages route as expected and that flags or notifications appear. If the rule doesn't work, check rule order and manage rules. Higher rules can override lower ones. Confirm the rule is set on the correct account and look for conflicting rules or server-side policies. If needed, disable others and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.